Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can track your Klarna orders, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I do have the, a blog open, and it's the official Klarna blog. And here it tells you how you can track your emails. I will be using this as an example since I cannot use Klarna in my country, but I will try to explain it as best I can. But yeah, you will be able to, or you are able to track your orders through the Klarna app, and you will need to download it either on App Store or Google Play. As far as I know, you cannot do this on a PC or on a different sort of device. But yeah, what you need to do is connect your email to your Klarna app, and any recent item deliveries to that email will be automatically retrieved and highlighted in the app. This will give you a good overview, and to view it, what you want to do is just to sign up and open the app. Go to the highlights tab, press on deliveries, read through the terms that are stated, and then follow the remaining instructions. Then it will tell you how you can specifically target specific orders and track them to see how fast they're going to be delivered, if they were supposed to be delivered, and so on and so forth. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys in another video, hopefully. So yeah, goodbye.